scratch before, if you forget how, find the video from yesterday where we started this project from scratch, where we did get init and all that stuff, and just follow the same steps. And again, on the, I don't know if it's day 1 or day 2. I think it's day 1. On day 1, starting a new project with a Git repository, right here. You make a directory for it, you change into that directory, you type git init. If you forget how to do that stuff, it's all on the website. Don't forget that. So there's really no excuse for not being able to figure out how to do it. So what are we going to do? We want to make a fancier version of that kind of. We want to make something with a form where we can enter some data and it gets added to some sort of fancy display. But we want to get used to this kind of thing, so we want to do it from scratch this time. So let's see, what could we do? Let's look at the ridiculous things we did last year. Last year, one section we did a project called Dinoplasty. What was it? What else? It was a dinosaur list. So we've got, let's see. Oh man, we've got carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. Carnivore, what's another one? How about Allosaurus? What's his diet? Carnivore. Add the dino to the list. Oh yeah. If we want to make it clear that T-Rex is our favorite, click a button, make it our favorite. Check this out. Refresh the page. They're both still there. Aw, cuss. What if I want to spell out Tyrannosaurus? Let's hit the edit button here and type Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hit enter. There it is. Now let's move him to the top of the list. Oh, shucks. Guess what happens if we hit the trash can? Uh-huh. So that's Dinoplasty. In another section, we did Jeffervescence. From Goldblum's house to yours. I think there's a background image that ought to be loading. Name a flick. Oh, we got our comedies, our dramas, and our sci-fis. Sci-fi, he was in Jurassic Park. He was also in Thor Ragnarok. Please select an item in the list, sci-fi. He was also in The Fly. That was also sci-fi. He was in The Big Chill. Kind of a dramedy. We'll put it under comedy. Sweet. What else did we do? Let's see. In session 3, we did Baywatch, which is not what you think. It's our Michael Bay filmography. This is how dedicated to this class I am. Look at each individual hair cut out there. Yeah. Yes, I photoshopped this just for you. So maybe this year we do some Tatum tots and do our favorite Channing Tatum movies. I don't know. Whatever you want. Just make a list of things. So, do this entire thing. That's your homework for tonight. No. See if you can make a thing that adds something to a list. Never mind categorizing, never mind editing them afterward. See if you can just basically do the same thing with a new list. Make a list of your favorite somethings. And for bonus credit, see if you can not just add them to a list, but also add them to an array. See if you can maintain an array of all the things in your list along the way. So, for example, I have Transformers, Bad Boys, and The Rock all as LIs in this list. But I also want to, I bet I have it. Let's see. Flicks, maybe, or this, I don't know where it's stored. Is it this.flicks? I mean, I don't know where it is. But basically, I want an array that says Transformers bad boys in the rock. So I want to add the string to an array as well as creating a list item and adding that list item to a list. Let's see, what was the super mega bonus credit last year? Boy, yeah, our bonus credit was pretty dang ambitious. If you want to get really clever, if you figure this out real fast, add a remove button. Why not? Make a remove button that will remove any individual item from the list. I don't expect, we haven't taught this. It's tricky. But see if you can figure it out. If you want to get really ambitious. Okay? I will paste the homework in Slack here in a minute. Yeah. Say again? What was the bonus credit? So the regular was just make a list of things, right? The bonus credit was keep track of that thing in an array inside the app in addition to just adding it to the page. Add it to the DOM and also add it to an array. So if I wanted to get back to the first item in my code, I could do it. See if you can figure out a way to do that. Yeah.
Can you paste this on Slack?
The homework? I will. Yeah, I haven't actually written it down yet. So as soon as I do, I'll paste it in there. Cool? All right. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Well, hold on real quick. Remember, if something like starting a new Git repo from scratch, all that stuff, if you forget how to do it, don't forget Dana is here in the afternoon class. Feel free to ping her on Slack, and she can help you. And if you never got GitHub Pages to work, if you never got that thing published, you can ask for help for that too. You can try Googling it. GitHub Pages is totally Googleable, but feel free to ask for help if you can't get it after 15 minutes. GitHub Pages? Oh, Git, yes, but GitHub Pages, the notes aren't up there yet. All right, go in peace. Enjoy your twamages.